I cook just about everything. Good Lord. Come on in here, y'all. Come on, come on, come on. Come on in here to Cooking with Sandra Faye. Today, people, today, I am going to make for you cream of chicken. Yes, cream of chicken mac and cheese casserole. It's going to be delicious, y'all. You know, a lot of people make stuff from Campbell's soup. Cream of chicken, cream of mushroom, cream of celery, cream of everything. They're really good in recipes. You just gotta know how to combine them together, y'all. It's so good, I'm telling you. You're gonna really love it, and your family's gonna love it too. And make sure you follow, okay? Follow the full recipe. You can make it change some things up just a little bit. I'll let you know, okay? Also, make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And please share the video, y'all. It's very important. I know you don't want nobody to get the recipes before you do or make it before you, but please help me out, okay? Give it to somebody. There's some people that need to learn how to cook, y'all. And you know what? This is an easy and simple recipe. Friendly recipe. Easy. It ain't gonna cost you too much to make unless you want to leave some things out. And that's okay with me. With all of that said, y'all, let's move on. Let's go. Here's all the ingredients that I will be using. 16-ounce elbow macaroni. Any brand will do. It don't matter. 1 cup of milk right here, y'all. And also we're going to be using 1/4 cup of butter or margarine, whichever one you want. And we're going to use 1/2 cup of onion. Mine is yellow onions. So whichever kind you like, okay? 1/2 cup of bell peppers. We know bell pepper make everything taste good. It really does. 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, or you can use self-rising. It's up to you. It really is up to you. I don't think it's gonna rise. I don't think so. 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. Everybody don't like garlic powder, but if you want to leave it out, that's okay. That is okay. Just may not taste like mine. That's all I'm gonna say about that. I'm also going to use 1/2 cup of parmesan shredded cheese. This is a store brand. They didn't have the brand that I like, but that's okay. Publix brand is pretty awesome. Also, I'm also going to use sharp cheddar cheese. You can use mild, you can use whatever you want. I'm going to use 2 cups of this right here. All right? And cream of chicken soup. Campbell's is the best one that you can get. I'm telling you, it's great. But you may do okay with the off-brand if you can't find Campbell's anymore. We know how food is so scarce right now, how we have a shortage and everything's so expensive. Get what you can afford. That's what I'm gonna say about that. All right? And also, I got some white chicken breasts. I didn't have chicken breasts to boil and make, but you know what? This is just as good. I've tried it and it's great. It makes great chicken salad. Yes, it does. But it's also going to be good inside of this macaroni and cheese. Cream of chicken. All right. Moving right along here, y'all. Let's get to making some food. Don't forget to wash this off. Don't forget to wash it, y'all. Okay? Some of y'all nasty. Some of y'all really nasty in the kitchen. We're gonna put our 16-ounce elbow macaroni into boiling water. The whole box, y'all, whole box. And you're gonna stir it around. You can add salt in here if you like to, salt to taste, all right? Okay, make sure you cook it the way the box tells you to cook it. Mine says 9 to 10 minutes, but I'm gonna put mine on 9 minutes. I'm old, I forget, so hey. On medium heat, we're gonna add our butter. Here we go, smoking again. Lord, I don't know why it's smoking. Ooh, on medium heat. I don't know why this keeps happening to me. I think because the butter is cold, y'all. Y'all let me know down in the comment section. Usually I let the butter stay out for a minute, but it's cold, so I guess it's making foam. That's not smoke. okay? It's not smoked. Right? Come on, butters. You can do right for me, okay? Don't embarrass me in front of the camera. Come on. Okay, now, looks great. Melt your butter. Melt it all the way on medium heat. All right? Then you're going to add your onions. Yes. And your bell peppers. You're going to saute until it looks a little translucent. Not much, okay? Not much. Now we're going to add in our 2 tablespoons of flour. Just trying to get it up in there. You ain't really trying to brown it, okay? You just want it to mix in there with the butter. You know, we want stuff a little thick. It's just a little thickening agent. That's all that is, all right? Then we're going to add our milk. Ooh, milk. Ooh, I love milk. I use whole milk, y'all. I use whole. You can use 2%, 1%, whatever type you like, but I would not advise you to use skim milk. Don't do that to a recipe, y'all. Don't do that. All right. Don't. All right. Put it on low. Low heat. You don't want this cooking too fast. I'm adding my cream of chicken soup by Campbell's. Campbell's make the best to me. But I'm pretty sure there's some other brands that are good too. Like I said, do what you can afford. That's all I can say. Do what you can afford. I can truly understand that. That's 1 can, here's 2 cans. Once you put all this in, you're gonna make sure you stir it up, okay? Stir it up real good. Real good. Next, I'm adding my garlic, stirring it up real good. See how thick that is? Ooh wee, ooh wee. I think I can eat it just like that. I know I sound like a witch. Then you're gonna put in 1 cup of cheese. This is about half the package of this 8 ounce. All right. Stir it in. Y'all. That's what the Southern people say. Y'all. Now you can add salt in here if you want to, but you know what? No, I'm gonna add me some pepper. It's up to you. Taste it to see if you need any salt, but I don't think you do because of the chicken, you know, the cream of chicken soup. Yes, Lord, I got it on low now. Got this on low. Forget to turn it down to low. Getting ready to add my chicken. Yes. All right, about to add my chicken, y'all. Woo. Woo. All right, come on, chicken. Now it's up to you. Now, if you don't want to add this chicken, it's up to you. If you want real chicken, you know, I'm just gonna put this in here like this. Do I want all of this? I'm gonna say yeah. You can use a whole can or you don't have to, y'all. Also, if you like this a little bit more creamier, if you like so, you know, just add your little bit more milk. That's all I'm gonna say about that. Add your little bit more. I'm gonna add just a tad bit. Not this whole half a cup. Just a little, just to get it a little creamy. You see the texture I'm talking about? Look at this texture, all right? You want it creamy, but you don't want it soupy. Just remember that. Do not do soupy. Don't blame me, blame yourself. Blame yourself if you got some soupy macaroni and cheese. Okay, drain your elbow macaroni. Whew. Lord. Make sure you got it all out of there. Look at that. Make sure you got it all drained. Yes, indeed. Whew. Now it's time to mix this up. I decided to do it in a bowl, y'all. Hope it's big enough. It should be. Should be big enough. After you pour everything in, whoo, sorry about the noise. Look at the goodness. Stir it from the bottom. Ooh, wait, look how creamy that is. Let me tell you something. Bell peppers and onions make anything taste good. Ooh, wait. But we ain't finished yet. We're not finished. Look at it, creamy. I'm gonna spray it, y'all, spray it. I don't want my stuff to be sticky. We're gonna pour it all in here. Now this, I think, is a 3-quart casserole, and this will serve 8 people. 8, could be more, especially if you got little kids, if you know what I mean. Spread it on out there, y'all. I don't even have to taste it. I know it's good. I know it's good. Now we're gonna put the remainder of the cheese. You can use sharp cheese, mild cheese, whatever cheese you want, really. Okay, you're gonna sprinkle it on top, the remaining. Sprinkle it all on top of there. It's according to how cheesy you like your macaroni and cheese. All right, it's up to you. Ooh, wait. It's gonna be great, I'm telling you. Now for the Parmesan cheese. I'm gonna use a 1/2 cup. Can you imagine the taste? Can you imagine when you make this for your family or for a potluck? Can you imagine what your friends and family's gonna think? They're gonna be like, when did you learn how to make macaroni and cheese? I've never had any with chicken inside. When? And never with Parmesan cheese on top. I'm telling y'all, they're gonna love it. They're gonna love it. This is gonna be the dish that everybody wants to eat up. It is. I'm going to bake this covered with foil for about 15 minutes because I don't want my cheese to burn. Okay? Then I'm gonna uncover it and let it cook for another 15 to 20 minutes. This is gonna be great, y'all. It's gonna be wonderful. Goodness. While it's baking, I gotta clean up all this mess. Look at this, y'all. Look at it. This is why I don't like cooking. This is why. Time to pull the foil off. Ooh, be careful. Ooh, that's looking pretty good already. Now it's gonna brown for another 15 to 20 minutes. Just remember, your oven may not be like mine, so all ovens may vary. However you like yours on top, that's good. Let's take a look. Ooh-wee. Let's see, so this took about 20 extra minutes, y'all. Look at that. Ooh, we is lovely. Whew. Let's plate this puppy up. It's time for a taste test, y'all. Look at that right there. I'm telling you, this is so amazing. Let me taste it. It's chicken in here, bell peppers and onions. Let me tell y'all something. If you don't want the chicken in here, you can leave it out, okay? You don't have to put it in there. You don't have to. If you don't want the bell peppers or onions, you don't have to put it in there. It's still gonna be good regardless, okay? All right, let me taste it. Man, this is so good. I am not joking, y'all. I'm not joking, okay? If it's bad, I would tell you, like I did on the Memphis school cookies that I made, a recipe that I found that wasn't no good. I'm not gonna lie, but this is amazing. This is gonna be your family favorite from now on. I can taste the bell peppers, the onion, the cheese, the Parmesan. I can taste everything in here. It's wonderful. Good to your palate, y'all. Man. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe, okay? Do that for me, okay? I'm trying to build up my channel, and I need more people, all right? And sooner or later, maybe 6 months from now, I don't know, maybe a year, hopefully less, I'm going to do a cookbook, with all of my recipes in it, okay? That way you ain't gotta look for a video, you can just, With all that said, y'all, let me go. This is so good, I'm getting ready to eat this whole thing up right here. Then I'm gonna give some to my children and grandkids, because I can't eat all that. That's a lot. It makes about 8 servings, okay? 8 servings. And I'm telling y'all, don't put no salt in there. Don't put no salt, but you can put pepper. It's salty enough. It's not real salty, but I'm just telling you it has enough salt. Do not add any more. No more, okay? All right. With all that said, I know y'all can hear Twink in the background. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. Do that for me and share my videos. Thank you so very much to the people who do. And on that note, y'all. On that note, I know y'all see my teeth. Yeah, I had to have some teeth pulled out. I gotta have a whole full plate up top. But y'all know how it is when you're getting old, especially when you're taking insulin, when you're type 1 diabetic. All right, with all that said, y'all, make sure that you come back to See, I'm about to mess up. Make sure you come back to Cooking with Sandra.